Number 1. Embrace nature. Enjoy the great outdoors by visiting local parks, hiking trails, and beaches. Nature provides endless opportunities for fun and relaxation, all for free. Plan regular outdoor activities like picnics, camping trips, or simply taking a walk in a nearby park. These activities can improve your physical health, reduce stress, and provide a sense of adventure. Join local hiking or nature groups to meet like-minded people and explore new areas together. Number 2. Host potluck gatherings. Instead of dining out, invite friends and family for a potluck. Everyone contributes a dish, making it a fun and affordable way to enjoy good food and great company. Theme your potlucks to add variety and excitement, such as international cuisine nights or seasonal celebrations. This not only saves money but also allows everyone to showcase their culinary skills and try new dishes. Consider rotating hosts to share the responsibility and create a sense of community. Number 3. Take advantage of free events. Many communities offer free events such as concerts, festivals, and movie nights. Check local event listings and community boards to find free entertainment options near you. These events can provide cultural enrichment and social opportunities without costing a dime. Sign up for newsletters or follow community social media pages to stay updated on upcoming events. Invite friends and family to join you, making it a social occasion as well. Number 4. Utilize the library. Libraries offer more than just books. Many provide free access to movies, music, workshops, and community events. Borrowing instead of buying can save you money and expand your horizons. Explore the digital resources available through your library, such as ebooks, audiobooks, and online courses. Many libraries also offer free or low-cost passes to museums and cultural institutions. Take advantage of these offerings to enrich your life without spending a lot. Number 5. Learn a new skill. Take up a new hobby or skill through free online resources like YouTube tutorials and community classes. Learning something new can be rewarding and enjoyable without the expense of formal classes. Consider skills that can save you money in the long run, like cooking, gardening, or DIY home repairs. Set aside dedicated time each week to practice and improve your new skills. Join online forums or local groups to connect with others who share your interests. Number 6. Exercise outdoors. Skip the gym membership and opt for outdoor workouts. Activities like jogging, biking, and yoga in the park are great ways to stay fit while enjoying fresh air and scenery. Join local fitness groups or start one with friends to keep each other motivated and accountable. Look for free community fitness classes or events, such as outdoor boot camps or running clubs. Mixing up your routine with different outdoor activities can keep you engaged and excited about staying active. Number 7. Cook at home. Experiment with new recipes and cook at home more often. Home-cooked meals are generally healthier and cheaper than dining out. Try meal planning and batch cooking to save time and reduce food waste. Make cooking a fun and social activity by involving family members or friends. Host cooking parties where everyone contributes to preparing a meal together. Explore different cuisines and cooking techniques to keep things interesting. Number 8. Enjoy DIY projects. Get creative with DIY projects for home decor, gifts, and personal use. Websites like Pinterest and Instructables offer countless ideas and tutorials. DIY projects not only save money but also provide a sense of accomplishment and personalization. Start with small, simple projects and gradually take on more complex ones as you gain confidence. Reuse and repurpose materials you already have to further reduce costs. Consider joining DIY or crafting groups to share ideas and resources. Number 9. Take staycations. Instead of expensive vacations, explore your local area. Visit nearby attractions, hike local trails, or simply enjoy a relaxing day at home. Staycations can be just as refreshing as traveling and help you discover hidden gems close to home. Plan themed staycations, such as a spa day at home, a cultural exploration of local museums, or a food tour of local eateries. Use this time to relax, recharge, and appreciate the beauty and opportunities in your own community. Number 10. Swap and borrow. Organize swap events with friends and family for clothes, books, and other items. Borrow tools, equipment, and even party supplies instead of buying them. Swapping and borrowing can fulfill your needs without spending money and promote a sense of community. Set up a regular swap event or borrowing group where members can exchange items and services. Use online platforms or community boards to find and organize swaps and borrowing opportunities. Number 11. Practice gratitude. Cultivating gratitude can enhance your overall happiness and satisfaction with life. Keep a gratitude journal, regularly noting things you're thankful for. This practice can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, increasing contentment without additional spending. Reflect on your entries regularly to remind yourself of the positive aspects of your life. Share your gratitude with others to strengthen relationships and spread positivity. Number 12. Explore free online entertainment. Take advantage of free streaming services, podcasts, and online games. Platforms like YouTube, Spotify, and free trials of various streaming services provide hours of entertainment without any cost. Discover new genres, creators, and hobbies through these free resources. Join online communities or forums related to your interests to find recommendations and connect with others. Create playlists or watch lists to organize your favorite content and easily access it when you have free time. Number 13. Volunteer. Volunteering is a fulfilling way to spend your time and give back to the community. It provides a sense of purpose and connection while costing nothing. Look for local organizations and causes that resonate with you and contribute your time and skills. Volunteering can also provide opportunities to learn new skills, meet new people, and gain valuable experiences. Consider family or group volunteer activities to make it a shared experience. Number 14. Host game nights. Invite friends over for board games, card games, or video games. Game nights are a fun, inexpensive way to socialize and enjoy friendly competition. Encourage guests to bring their favorite games to add variety and excitement to the gatherings. Rotate hosts to share the responsibility and introduce new games. You can also create themed game nights, such as trivia nights, classic board games, or cooperative gaming sessions, to keep things fresh and engaging. Number 15. Use cashback and discount apps. Save money on everyday purchases by using cashback and discount apps like Rakuten Honey and Ibotta. These apps help you get the best deals and earn money back on your spending. Combine discounts and cashback offers with sales and coupons for maximum savings. Regularly check these apps for new deals and promotions. Additionally, install browser extensions to automatically apply coupons and find better prices while shopping online. Number 16. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Incorporate mindfulness and meditation into your daily routine. These practices can reduce stress, improve mental health, and increase overall well-being without any cost. Use free apps like Insight Timer or Calm, or simply set aside a few minutes each day for mindful breathing and reflection. Mindfulness can also enhance your appreciation of simple pleasures and everyday experiences, helping you enjoy life more fully without spending extra money. Number 17. Explore local art and culture. Visit local art galleries, museums, and cultural events. Many offer free admission or discounted rates on certain days. Immersing yourself in art and culture can be enriching and inspiring without significant expense. Check community calendars and cultural institution websites for information on free days and special events. Take advantage of artist talks, workshops, and performances to deepen your appreciation and understanding of the arts. Number 18. Grow your own food. Start a garden to grow your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Gardening is a rewarding hobby that provides fresh produce and reduces grocery bills. Even if you have limited space, container gardening or vertical gardening can yield a surprising amount of food. Research plants that grow well in your climate and start with easy-to-grow varieties. Join gardening clubs or online forums to share tips and experiences with other gardeners. Number 19. Plan budget-friendly outings. Look for affordable outing options like picnics, hiking, visiting free attractions, or exploring local farmers markets. These activities can provide quality time with loved ones and memorable experiences without high costs. Make a list of local places to visit and activities to try, and plan regular outings. Bring your own snacks or meals to save money, and take advantage of any free days or events. Number 20. Declutter and sell unused items. Declutter your home and sell items you no longer need. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace can help you turn unwanted items into extra cash. Decluttering not only boosts your finances, but also creates a more organized and peaceful living space. Set aside time each week to go through different areas of your home and sort items into categories. Keep, donate, sell, or recycle. Use the proceeds from selling items to fund other enjoyable activities or savings goals.